Plant microbe interaction. Introduction. Plants are non-motile but they constant both abiotic and biotic stress. There is a constant war between the pathogenic microbes and host plant which determine disease. As a result, plants are heavily colonies with diversity of microbes. Microbes that colonize plants called epiphytes and endophytes. Epiphyte means colonize plant surface, ठीक है, और endophyte means colonies on plant inside. A plant and microbes can have variety of interaction consist pathogenic, symbiotic and association. Next, pathogenic relationship. First is the necrotrophy, means plant cell killed. Next is biotrophy, means plant cell remain alive. Hemibiotrophy means plant cell initially alive, later killed. Symbiosis with cyanobacteria. It is a beneficial aspect. एस्पेक्ट मीन्स क्या होता है, फिगर, ठीक है, या फिर इसका फीचर ऑफ प्लांट माइक्रोब symbiosis. Plant provide carbon material, means C material, to support growth of microbes, and microbes promote plant growth by mineral N2. N2 means nitrogen fixation. Example, Azolla is a freshwater aquatic fern lives. It is a symbiotic association with Anabaina, where the cyanobacteria fix atmosphere N2. N2 means nitrogen fixation, and Azolla provide carbohydrates. Cyanobacteria found in trichomas. Trichomas means a small hair or other outgrowth from the epidermis of plant. So cyanobacteria found in trichomas, and nutrient exchange occur through tiny fibers. Next, interaction in rhizosphere and symbiotic system. Fungus root system. Mucilage or organic acid, dead root cell released by root tip act as a carbon source for microbes. Ammo means microorganism enhance the cycling of C and N compound, means carbon and नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड. और इनहेंस का मीन्स क्या है यहाँ पर, इंक्रीज या फिर इम्प्रूव करना. तो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इम्प्रूव द साइक्लिंग ऑफ कार्बन एंड नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड, कंज्यूम राइजोफेरिक ऑक्सीजन. एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि इसका है एग्जाम्पल, माइको रजिया इज म्यूटालास्टिक रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन फंगस. इट इज़ टू टाइप, एक्टो एंड एंडो. ठीक है, एक्टो मीन्स क्या होता है कि प्लांट रूट ग्रोथ ऑन एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द रूट इज करेक्टर एंड ग्रोथ इनसाइड द रूट. एंडो मीन्स क्या होता है वी एम मीन्स वेसिकुलर एरी वेसिकुलर माइको रजिया. ठीक है, इट इज़ अ इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन इट. नेक्स्ट, एंडो माइको क्या होता है, एसोसिएशन विद सेल ऑफ होस्ट. एंड एक्टो क्या होता है, एसोसिएशन विद प्लांट रूट. नेक्स्ट है बैक्टीरिया रूट नोड्यूल सिस्टम. एंजाइम सिस्टम एंड टू fixation is found only prokaryote and nodule which associated with root of leguminous plant. Bacteria are specific for legume species. Association benefit both plant, provide carbon and energy source to bacteria, fix N2 and provide amino acid. Next, leguminous and bacteria. It is last. It is symbiotic relationship with N2 soil bacteria called rhizobia, and it form in nodes of plant root where bacteria convert. Atmosphere nitrogen into ammonia by plant growth. It is a obligatory in nature, and it is a type of the mutualistic application. Microorganism get shelter and organic nutrient from plant. Thank you. Watch my all video.